Today's repair is brought to you in part by bushings, the noisy little middleman between your chassis and your suspension. If you've got popping, banging, scraping, clanking, any type of nasty noise when you turn or move on your cart, it's usually a result of bad bushings. So let me show you on this Club Car DS. Let's see if you can see that or not. There we go. A bushing is usually a piece of rubber that goes in between your linkage and your leaf springs here on the front and in the rear of a Club Car DS. And when they go out, you'll experience scraping sounds, overall rough ride, and it's just a really annoying problem to have, and it's just best to get new bushings put in, good solid rubber ones. There's also some cheap plastic ones out there that are just not worth the money. If you're gonna do bushings, go ahead and invest in the good rubber ones, not the plastic cheap ones. So that's what's on our agenda today. We're gonna get this knocked out, and this car should feel like a new pair of shoes after we're done. All right, stay tuned.